Welcome, seekers of hidden wisdom. Tonight, I reveal a mystical attraction ritual to unlock your inner magnetism. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel. It helps us share more powerful rituals with you. On-screen text. Subscribe now to unlock more rituals. Tools you need. Gather these simple items: a candle, a plate, an offering, water, paper, and a cloth. These are symbols to focus your energy. Quick reminder: if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Your support keeps this ancient knowledge alive. Intention, consent. This practice is about empowerment and respect. Always align with honesty and consent. And yes, if you're enjoying this wisdom, don't forget to subscribe, because every week we share more powerful rituals like this. Cleansing grounding. Light your candle, wash your hands, and take 4 deep breaths. Visualize golden roots grounding you to the earth. Soft reminder, background voice. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button now to stay connected with the flow of mystical energy. Writing your desire. Write your affirmation. I radiate charm. I attract love. I shine with confidence. Place it beneath the offering. Friendly call. By the way, subscribe right now, because our next ritual may be exactly what you need. The sacred spell. Chant. Om Namo Bhagavati. Chamunde, Maha, Hridayakampin, Svaha. Hold the offering. Speak this sacred chant 21 times. Feel the vibration charging your aura with attraction. Halfway reminder. While you chant, take a moment to click subscribe. Stay connected with this path of mystical power. Sealing the energy. After your final chant, hold the offering to your heart and whisper, "So it is. My charm is alive." Wrap the offering in the cloth. Reminder. And remember, if you haven't yet, subscribe now to continue this journey of hidden knowledge. What to do with the offering? Share the offering as a gift, place it on your altar, or return it to nature. Always act with honesty. Quick plug. And yes, hit subscribe so you never miss the next ritual. Blow out the candle, wash your hands, and journal your feelings. Notice the subtle shifts in your energy. Call out. Don't forget, this is just one of many rituals. Subscribe now and join us for more. This was your guided attraction ritual. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe right now so you can walk with us through the mystical path of enchantment, charm, and hidden wisdom. Subscribe, like, share. Unlock the mystical path.